Best autoresponders for affiliate marketers, Leadsleap. What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an autoresponder that is perfect for beginner affiliate marketers and advanced marketers if they don't want the extra to like a page builder or an extra autoresponder, holding limit for leads and like get response and all the other stuff. This is the perfect autoresponder for beginners. This autoresponder has been around since 2008, and what you'll get as a free member is that you'll get like to surf and earn on free members ads right here on this section right here. And then you have a list manager, 10 list, unlimited subscribers, a page builder, 10 pages, hosting included, pop-up creator, 10 pop-ups, hosting included, link tracker, and unlimited with rotator. Make money 4 ways, some super easy, and more. Read on to find out. That is also from Leadsleap page, because this part is the free part. You do get a link tracker as a free member, just so you don't have to pay for a monthly fee on another rotator like ClickMagick, you know? So here is the dashboard. You'll get welcomed by the tutorial section, which I highly suggest everyone should watch. It is really super easy to use. And here is where your free leads would be, or paid. I highly suggest everyone to upgrade to the $27 a month plan, because I actually plan on doing that myself, because I'm using this tool myself, because I've created a funnel using the free page builder I got with Leadsleap. And you can track everything. Here is what you get with the free version of Leadsleap. You get the link tracker, track links, rotator, and ad bars, which only members within your downline will see your ad bars. Right here is where all the pro members get to see their ads first, because you would have to surf and earn to be able to get credits to be able to have everybody else in the membership website to see your ads. And as a free member, you can only do broadcast emails, because you're only limited to that. And the automated the pro perks of being a pro member of Leadsleap is that you get to send automated emails upon when the person signs up to your list, which is really cool. And here's the page builder part, a funnel builder manager, and the form pop-up creator, cookie generator, and the hosting service. This is where you are giving away a free lead magnet or PDF, like PLR or something that you've created yourself, which is really cool. And here's where people sign up under you will be at right here, under the affiliate section. By the way, my link is down below. If you click that, it'll help out this channel, and I will also be doing an updated video on purchasing Leadsleap myself. And here are the affiliate links and tools, affiliate traffic stats. That's for those wherever you are getting your traffic from, whether it's free traffic from YouTube or free traffic from social media. I think this is a really good tool for beginners and those who are more advanced, in email marketing or lead generation. Oh, by the way, these are only for people who are in the BizOp niche, just so you know. Here is the main page, how I get traffic, how I benefit from List Manager, how I benefit from Page Builder. You can check all these on your own time. This will tell you everything. Why free? What's the catch? Here's where you could read the benefits of being a pro member and a free member. Yeah, this is Leadsleap. The one I'm actually currently using right now is this one right here. Because why not? You gotta get something out there if you want to start an online business. Or if you already have an online business going, you could import your leads too by downloading your list from your current autoresponder. So I hope you liked this video. The link will be down below to go check out Leadsleap. And I hope you decide to sign up through my link, and that'll be very good because it'll help you out and it'll help me out also, so it's a win-win-win for everyone. Leadsleap Marketing. I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe. See you all in the next one. Bye-bye.